Ready to spice things up? Let's chat about ginger. This zesty root isn't just a kitchen staple. It's been rocking traditional medicine for ages. Today, we're diving into some amazing benefits of ginger, especially for guys. Trust me, once you hear this, you'll see that knobby root in a whole new way. So, maybe brew a cup of ginger tea, and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about something on everyone's mind: energy and performance. Feeling a bit sluggish in the morning or hitting that afternoon slump at work? Ginger might be your new best friend. It's known to boost blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles and your brain. This can lead to increased energy levels, better focus, and improved physical performance. So whether you're hitting the gym, heading out for a run, or just need to power through a long day of meetings, adding some ginger to your diet could give you the natural edge you've been looking for. Next, let's address muscle soreness. You know the feeling after a really tough workout. The one where even walking downstairs feels like a major accomplishment. That's called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. Well, research suggests that ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in ginger, called gingerol, is the magic ingredient here. Consuming ginger regularly, especially after exercise, can help significantly reduce muscle pain and soreness. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter painkillers, you could try a natural remedy. A simple ginger tea or adding grated ginger to your post-workout meal can work wonders in speeding up your recovery. Now, let's move on to digestive health. An unhappy gut can really throw off your whole day. Bloating, indigestion, and discomfort are no fun for anyone. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to soothe the stomach, and for good reason. It helps speed up the process of emptying your stomach, which can be a game changer for people who suffer from chronic indigestion. It also helps to relax the smooth muscles in your gut lining, relieving cramping and bloating. If you've had a heavy meal and are feeling a bit weighed down, a warm cup of ginger tea can provide almost instant relief. It's a simple, effective way to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Alright, let's talk about a big one: heart health. This is crucial for everyone, but it's a topic of particular importance for men's long-term wellness. Ginger has been shown to have a positive impact on several risk factors for heart disease. Studies indicate it can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels and reduce blood triglycerides. Plus, its ability to improve circulation and its anti-inflammatory effects also contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Keeping your heart in top shape is one of the best investments you can make in your future. And incorporating a little ginger into your daily routine is an easy step in the right direction. And finally, let's touch upon a very important aspect of men's health: testosterone levels and fertility. Some interesting studies have shown a connection between ginger consumption and increased testosterone production. It is believed that ginger helps by combating oxidative stress in the testes and boosting certain hormone levels. This, in turn, can have a positive effect on sperm count, motility, and overall fertility. While it's not a magic pill, the evidence suggests that for men looking to support their reproductive health naturally, ginger is a fantastic and safe addition to their diet. So, how can you easily get more ginger into your life? It's so versatile. You can start your day with a lemon ginger tea. Just slice some fresh ginger and lemon into hot water. You can grate it into stir-fries, curries, and soups for a punch of flavor. Add a pinch of powdered ginger to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. You can even make your own ginger shots by juicing fresh ginger root with a bit of apple or lemon. The possibilities are endless. There you have it, a rundown of the amazing benefits of ginger for men. From boosting your energy and aiding muscle recovery to supporting your heart and digestive health, this humble spice packs a serious punch. It's a simple, natural, and delicious way to upgrade your wellness routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. How do you like to use ginger? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.